Oh, wow, back pain. I've had back pain like this a number of times in the last 20 years, and myself, as well as many people with back pain, the big question is, can I get rid of the pain without doing any awkward exercises or taking medications?
And the answer is yes, you can. So we're going to show you some of the best options you can do at home.
That you simply lie on your bed, or you can do this on the floor. I've done it both ways myself and with patients. Take a few pillows, you need two or three, and get them underneath both legs. And what that does is it brings up the hip, flexes the hip, and that puts the back in a more neutral position, less stress on the back, and it actually very comfortable. Mike, how do you feel like that?
I feel good.
Yes. Seated posture. Poor seated posture can aggravate and cause back pain and really make it linger on for a long period of time until you correct it. Mike, couple simple ways to do it.
So, poor posture can be caused by just not obviously paying attention and gravity working like this, so you get flexed over. Another common problem for some people is the seat pan depth is actually too far back, so they're not comfortable getting all the way back with their legs depending upon their height. So, a simple solution for both of these would be to use a throw pillow, put it in your low back region. This will shorten the depth of the seat pan, and also it reminds you to have something there to push against to keep up good posture. Some people, this is enough and this will work. Not everyone. Some people may need just a full pillow. Put it up the vertical way here and place it behind them. Now, this is typically common in standard chairs like this, or maybe a recliner or sofa, because they can get soft and squishy over time. Just feel what can fill that void the best and keep your back in a good neutral position. To use a hot or cold pack, you can do this in a chair or laying down. This one can be both. We have some other options we will talk about as well. Now, when it comes to hot or cold packs, it's important to not always put it, specifically this type, directly on your skin. If you have a shirt or sweatshirt on, that could possibly be enough layers. If you feel like it's too warm or too cold, simply place a towel over it. And if it's my low back, you could just put it in my low back between the pillow and my body, and that should suffice. You can leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes.
Now, the next question I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, so what's better, hot or cold? Well, that's the question of the century. And from clinical experience myself, I've used initially cold packs. So it works really well for me. But I run into people where they just don't tolerate them. It makes them tighten up. Then we get the hot pack out and they have release of the muscle tightness, feels better, increases circulation. So try each one, see how you feel better with each one, and how it responds after you take the hot pack or cold pack away.